Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my activities for today. I'm going to be cleaning, but first I want to prepare oats for my baby. He loves eating oats, but then I have to blend it first before using it to make porridge for him. So that's exactly what I'm doing in this video. So these days my baby doesn't like to eat. When he was 5 months, 4 5 6 months, he was just eating. I remember then I used to blend a lot of fruits for him and then he would eat, but getting to 10 11 12, and now that he is a year and 1 month, it just slowed down. So what can I do? I will keep on trying my best to see that he fits very well. So I'm done preparing the oat now. I'm going to be adding milk. He still takes baby milk, and then I will add a tiny bit of honey. So here I am feeding him. I just woke him up from sleep now. Hopefully he eats this because this is one of his favorites. And yeah, he started eating this oats when he was 4.5 months, and this is the exact way I used to make it without adding the honey. I started adding a tiny bit of honey since he turned 1. Oh my gosh, he finished it. Like, you guys don't even know how happy I am now. It feels so good when those children are eating. Like, it relieves you from a lot of stress and thinking. So now that I am done feeding him, now I will go over and face my activities for today. So next I'm going to be doing dishes. Oh my gosh, who else hates doing dishes like I do? Like, this is one of the most annoying house chores that I hate doing, no matter how small the dishes are. But what can I do? I will just have to do it. So once I'm done, I'm going to start wiping the whole place, from the gas to the countertops to the kitchen cabinets to the sink. In fact, everywhere that needs cleaning, I'm going to be doing all. So I don't use too many detergents to clean. There's this particular one that I use. It's universal cleaner. You can use it to clean anywhere. It's just like soap. You can use it to clean your kitchen, in fact every part of your house. Yeah, it's even for glass cleaner, it's also good for it. So that's the one I usually use. So I'm just wiping down everywhere, the cabinets, everything that needs cleaning in this kitchen. I'm just going to clean it, and after that I'm going to vacuum the floor and then head over to the living room to continue with the cleaning. So now I'm done with the kitchen and I'm here at the living room. I'm also going to be wiping down everywhere, the sofa table, the dining table, the TV, everything. I'm just going to be cleaning everything thoroughly, and then after that I'm also going to be vacuuming the floor. I would also want to wash the floors, but I don't think I will be doing that in this video because it's already getting late, and then I also don't want this video to be too long, so maybe that one will be in another video. So once I'm done and I'm going to start vacuuming the whole place, looking at it, one would think, oh, this is just a light vacuuming, but I tell you, this took like 1.5 hours for me to get the whole living room vacuum. Like, I have to be shifting everything and then making sure that I get all the dust. Yeah, that's the power of editing. I just had to show a few seconds of what I did. And yes guys, that is all there is to this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Merry Christmas once again to each and every one of you, and may this new year bring a lot of blessings, a lot of success to you all. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.